Mawufika ngale Manchester mfana uthi ima nabo bani
No,
mfethu.
lalela phela sifike no Cristiano Ronaldo same date.
Unama- Uthi
Masifika
no Cristiano?
la, sifika da.
So niyabuya ku Kaizer Chiefs.
Ndoda sikhuphula ifuba no KG City besenza amasimba Brian bayahlanya la. Osadli Chiefs ngamaZulu 2-1. Sabatribula masiceda usekhumula kusese nabo Mumisho of the week.
Ngiyakhumbula leya game
Yeah, ufike
ngiyakhumbula.
ngamenzela istory la. Kudala ngibacalele vele just ukuthi baveze nje intonyana ezincane.
Yeah.
Hayibo bacalele kakhulu.
Uligibele.
Makancane. Abostar abambakha kanje bathi.
Ngifuna siyilungise namhlanje and for the future the players waseKasi ukuthi bangabamba ile stigma sokuthi players wase Davidson are corrupt. All of you great as you were nge-talent skill but you never got to play. I-question yami ukuthi ntwana you saw uJunior, you saw uJabu. Bekungakhonakala ukuthi maybe nifunde from that ukuthi thina we're not gonna walk that path. Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle, it's Busiso Mahlangu, your boy from Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Namhlanje, as you can see, I'm sitting on the hot seat. I am your host on JMDS. Guys, unfortunately, your host Jabu Mahlangu is not here today, but as you know, the show must go on. The show must go on. But I've got a guest, Elbuye Kaslami, very skillful player. Awuthi ngidlale nayo sisakhula, but he comes after me. Thingibeke kahle. But before him introduce abafowethu, let me first reintroduce myself because the show has grown. We've got new subscribers. We've got abantu abasha babukela show yethu. Some of you guys might not know me. My name is Busiso Mahlangu, like I said, a former professional football player at SuperSport United, a captain at Bidvest Vets, and also I retired at Highlands Park. At SuperSport I played under Upitso Musimane and Kevin Hunt, and that first trophy uyaziyo yase SuperSport, the league title. I was one of the guys that played in that team, and I played with some incredible players. But Abu Katlego Mashiko, Katlego Mpela, Pakatla, Tiko Mudise, Dane Clate, Calvin Sibego, Ace Mulife. The list is endless. In my career, I played with a lot of great players. From Ekasi, Nakona, I played with a lot of great players. Jabupule, Mspana Nai currently, Galile Naikasi, Junior Kanye, Kapi Malatsi. Yeah, so I'm someone that have played the game and I'm still involved in the game. I'm a coach at Randburg FC. I'm also a performance analyst. Yeah, that's a brief background about myself for Nina Laba Ngangas. Yeah, thanks. Let me welcome you to the show and let me welcome our guest. Guest here to bafowethu ibuya Davidson, like I said. But the guy mangizwa but he was born at Delmas in Mpumalanga. Maripola, as we all know, ubuye kasile bhola eDavidson. Wonke umuntu ontswembu uphekwe laphi eDavidson. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome uTouch Peter Olani Mabaso. Awuthiyami. Grand bro.
Mnandi wena.
Mfethu, good to have you mfethu man. Hey. Abantu abaningi eKasi lethu kunini bakhalela mina bakhalela uJabu, but guys, when are you bringing uTouch Mabaso studio? We see you guys are bringing everyone, but
sure
uTouch awumlethu. Yazi iKasi lethu liyakuphakamela.
Yeah, iKasi sure.
And iKasi lethu liyakufrostana blind.
Cool.
It's good to have you mfana yithi. You've played the game. You've played professionally. And you've played for, I'm correct, I'm wrong corner, but
sure.
You've played for Kaizer Chiefs. That's where you started.
Yeah.
Now I'm counting on my teams in the professional ranks.
Yeah.
You played for Kaizer Chiefs. You played for Amazulu.
Sure.
You played for Golden Arrows.
Sure.
You played for Karara Kicks
sure.
in the NFT. Ne?
Yeah, NFT.
You played for Sivuta.
Mbombela United.
Oh, Mbombela United.
Yeah.
And who else maybe engikhohlwayo la?
You were like South Africa, but went to Swaziland ngisho.
Or you also went to Swaziland?
Yeah, Monini Pirates.
Yeah.
Bese neMatsapa United.
All right. Mfethu. Yeah, no man. Tashman, asingene endabeni my brother. You are someone that I saw after mina ngiva ikasi.
Sure.
And I saw you coming up after actually I left Kaizer Chiefs. I saw you coming as well.
Sure.
And bengizwa a lot of noise about you from Ikasi, where we come from. Ukuthi bathi kunenye intwana bathi uTouch Mabaso. Ngithi ubani uTouch Mabaso? Even at Kaizer Chiefs I would ask my former teammates bangitshela hayi le inzima le.
Sure.
So awusitshele uTouch ubani mfethu, where do you come from? Uzalelwe phi usikaye nje, a brief background about yourself, your family background.
Sure.
Ukhuliswe ubani, abazali, your brothers, if there's anyone ekini odlalile ibhola.
All right. Sure, Buga. Nice to be here mfethu. Ngiyabonga ukuthi ngitholile invite. Nami I was looking forward ukuthi ngelinye ilanga sobe sihlale sithu ke sixoxe ngayo le ndaba le.
Yeah.
Sure mfethu. Umfethu uXolani Touch Mabaso. But recently sengumphuthi via iTime alishadeni uLady, yabo.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
that's nice.
before bekusese uMabaso. Nale gama la kaTouch wena bhuti wami, okay, before sifike egameni, was born 1986 June 28. Akusile eMbomba ile straight.
Ile straight.
Yeah, ngisho vele uyazi ukuthi.
Yasishanga too.
Yeah, uyayibona le. Ile straight.
Yeah.
Yeah man, okay, bese nale gama la kaTouch wena mfethu edladleni mangizwe bathi bengithanda ukuthi Touch yabo. But not knowing ukuthi uTouch uzongilidela kuphi at the end of the day. Kanti fortunately enough ngizodlala idisc. And I think by that time bekusesena boTouch Mugwibi umadala wami ngibukala nomadala wami ibhola kakhulu.
Yeah.
So I think le gama la kaTouch libuya lapho uTouch Mugwibi nani. But mina bengithanda ukuthi Touch. So automatically edladleni bathi nguTouch.
Okay.
Kanti intwana izokhuphuka idlala ibhola vele masifika ngapha eDavidson. Okay, from eDelmas sifike 92 ngapha lona eDavidson. So ngiqala ukudlala ibhola vele ngapha. Njoba usho ukuthi ibhola vele litholakala lapha. Uyabo. So ngibhakwe khona lapha eDavidson ngokudlala ibhola, ukuqala ukudlala ibhola vele ngiqala eDavidson.
How old were you?
Ngina 6, ngiyoshaya grade 1 vele. Ngifikele lapha ngiyofunda isikole. Uyabo.
Yeah.
So ngifike vele kanti ngizocala lokudlala ibhola labantu engidlala nabo estradini into ezinjalo. So mfethu mina ngino sister endlini which is ithu edlaleni ukwanele Mabaso ongilandelayo, and then ngine cousin asendlini uTerence Mabaso udlalile ibhola, udlale ku Sundowns PSL obviously. National team under 23. Kenami under 23 ngidlalile under 20. So
sorry kungena emlomeni uTerence akusi brother yakho wena?
uTerence uzalwa umalume wami which is iGrootman uLedlam. Mara sizalwa ngesikhathi esi1. So sikhule ngathi singama brothers. Mara yena biological father no mama
Oh,
ukuthi si yeah.
Yabo important kuzala nawe abantu bayakene ikasi.
Yeah, no bayakene. Yeah, sure, yeah.
All right, yeah, continue.
So cut the story short kancane masisuka lapho ke sahlangana naGrootman bathi uMahlubi because azangidlalela ama team abhaya, ngidlala ku champion, suka ku champion ngaya ku development Chiefs which was under 15 by the time. Best coach u Ryder Mfokeng.
Yeah.
Mara bengondile man bona that sense.
Yeah.
Bengondile man. So le outsile no Ryder Mfokeng may his soul rest in peace, ungikhulisile naye time eLikrel.
Yeah.
Mara bengazwana ama player wondile.
Ngiyamazi right.
So ngijimile naye 2-3 weeks nyana. I wena mfana ngathi angekulunge uzawubuya next year. Next year which is lapho phela sengisele angisekho under 15. Sengimele ngiye ku under 17 because by that time vela was 15 straight. Kanti esintswele ngokhona ubhekile lapha phezulu yabo.
Yeah.
Ngilanda uMahlubi after training kuthi ndoda ucoach lapha phezulu uthi ucela ukubona. I think from next week mele uzocala ukujima naye.
Ucoach under bani
ucoach under 15.
Uright ucoach under
17.
Okay.
Uyayibona. So mina ngina 15 akumelanga ngiyojima ne under 15 vele. Mele ngijime no Ryder Mfokeng ku under 17.
Okay.
mara le out because he knew ukuthi ngathi kulonyaka uzayo uzocoach under 17 so uRider uzoya ku under 19
Yeah.
so yena bese kazilungisela ukuthi next year angasasoluka busy afuna
Ulungise
kakhulu
team
ama
yakhe,
player
yeah.
yabona adonsa abantu bakhe sibe la iduzayo so fortunately for mina izinto zambe ngaleyo ndlela next year ku Ace Ntswele ngangithathe ngisayine sharp for ukuthi siyacala ku under 17 but a month ishayile but no uAce Ntswele ngabuyele ku under 15 uRider akabuye ku under 17
Yeah.
uyabona mase ngibuyela
Ubuyela
kulo
kulo
muntu
muntu
bekangivayisile already mina vele sengithuki ukuthi ngiyacoshwa ke manje
Uyangihambisa.
ngiyacoshwa ke manje vele
Yeah.
okay inhlanhla leyo siyodlala i-tournament ePulukwane ngifike ngishise ngikore 2 goals masibuya siyodlala i-league game ne-Swallows sharp inhlanhla leyo futhi ngishaya igoal iswine 1-0 ngokutshela ukuthi le game ezayo yebis3 kulo coach lo ubekangicosha which is ubani uRider Mfukeng wangaya ambend wathibamba ntwana wena uzo leader le team le yayibona isuka kanjani indaba yami ukuthi ku Chiefs ngize ngibo lo touch lobo suluku busy uzwa ngayo ukuthi nentwana bathu touch because ilento ngicala ekudala man azi ithema ngiba i-captain le time le azange sabheke emuva uyangithola
So but in kuleyo division yakho or let me just say nje ku era yakho ku Kaizer Chiefs development ama player odlale nawo laphi abobani maybe that made it pro and that are well known maybe namhlanje.
Mpho Makola umthole lapha
Yeah.
yabona athi Gcweleza Itumele Mkhune Thokozani Sosibo Terence Mabaso Tash Mabaso ubani umunye emaningi abomsumi basibusiso umsumi odlalile na ku Platinum Stars yeah Mamadimo Masinya ubani Lawrence ubani mfana Lawrence what dlalile
Ulo who's this player bengifuna ukubuza ngayo ubani intwana le imanza ngizayikhumbula but then yeah that time uku Chiefs ku development bakupromote ukhuni
bapromote ukhuni
before nini
before yeah before promote ukhuni ekucala after khune kulandela uThokozani Sosibo
yeah
after Thokozani Sosibo kulandele mina no Michael acala uMichael qala
uRoy
uNkambule angisho manje bheka la kuze mina ngizosayina ku Chiefs bebabheke uMichael Nkambule bebawedlala iNorthern Ireland i-tournament ama under 15
yeah
kanti kunabo Manchester United le tournament abayidlalayo so uma beza ngapha bathi bazoshaya iround bazobheka uRoy bathola uTouch Mabasa wenza izimanga lapha egroundini uyayibona
okay
so manje suka kanjalo ukuthi uTouch ukuthi vele bekumele ngiyosign but manje ngibasayinise early because iManchester befuna ukuthi sihambe sojima kuphi le kibo so bengeke sihambe singakasayini icontract because anything is possible ngiyabona bangasayina kanti ngapha besingakasayini don't PSL contract angisho so sasayina kucala before sivaya mangibuya vele ngibuya sengisayinile le ngoba sele sahlala 3 weeks no Michael
so nivaya no2 no lonto uzayo
yeah sivaya sithu no Roy
mawufika ngale Manchester mfana ujima nabo bani
no lalela phela sifike no Cristiano Ronaldo same date
yeah ujime no Cristiano
sifika da thina bajima ngisho uyabona banokuhlukanisa team le FS team thina mhlamba sijimisa ne reserve bese bona bajima vele babodwa ke but abantu abakhona khona la eduzane or they will make ilona i11v11 badlale nathi nabo badlale ngalo yabona but ukuthi siyajima sisonke hayi azange yaba possible but sidlale against but bese sonke in the same camp na
but you were that close to
sure select figures kanjalo uyayibona so unfortunately by that time even now angisho mele ube na 50 caps ukuze uzodlala eEngland but bangakusign mhlambe bakuloan to another country
I remember that rule
sure so manje bekumele ngibe na 18 bekumele ngibe na 21 years
okay
yeah kuze izinto zizoba possible le phela sengidlulile 18 remember ukuthi 18 sengidlulile la
oh yeah
manje sekumele ngibuyele kuphi uRoy bekuphela ubuyele before azobuyela eEngland welwa eFrance njengoba azosayina eStrasbourg
Strasbourg, yeah.
yeah then azange sabuyela le ngoba sekasayinile kuphi eFrance
Yeah.
yabo so mina bengibhayiziswa ileyo gap leyo ukuthi ama national team but ngidlala under 20 ngidlala under 21 so I don't have much caps into ezinjalo so already singi out nangapha sengu first team angisho sebasi loanile to amaZulu which is him uKagiso Sinamela ne sithu sambile saya khona le mara initially bese ngayi kumaZulu besiya ku Durban Stars
But before Ntwana uya lapho nginterested ngokwe Manchester mfethu.
Yeah.
Because it talks about the talent lengitshela ngayo abantu ukuthi how talented you were.
sure
And many people might not know you ngaleyo ndlela leyo.
sure
Yangithola but mina ngiyakwazi ngithi
Sure.
I've seen you play.
Sure.
And a lot of people eKasi nase Israel as a whole bayamazi utouch ukuthi ubani.
showcase
So try to emphasize that the fact that we are not just bringing in nje umuntu people say ubani.
Yeah.
This is one of the great talents zase Davidton and the Israel as a whole and arguably emzansi Ntwana mina ngiyagrate ukuthi you were one of the best.
Sure.
Ngithola for a fact ukuthi you went and trained in Manchester United.
Sure.
Closer nabo Cristiano Ronaldo.
Sure.
It talks to your talent.
Ufana Steroid kusesena ufana Steroid
We understand.
time leyo
So people must recognize and say there was something.
Sure.
But we will get into that ukuthi maybe why things never happened. Yamthola yeah so chubeka mfethu you come back Chiefs yakulona.
yeah ngisho bekusaqedelela isikolo lapho sibhala ama matric exam yeah so January basithumela basisa eDurban Stars sifika lapha phela Chiefs kumnandi phela lapha ilona
Natural.
not natural basahlala eAuckland Park lapha ehouse 15
Oh yeah.
yeah so Chiefs Durban Stars mana khambilani la
Yeah.
lapha kumele siziphekele phela lapha into oqala
Kuphethe master.
eDurban Stars
Yeah.
la siyaphekelwa la
Magogo bekaphekela.
yayibona mase kunomunye umehluko umunye
Ivulo yithi.
and la amabhota asipanayo mfethu sisipanisa amabhota ayi1 uyayibona uThemba kusho ukuthi kule bhodo leli simele wena ucede uphake kumele mina ngiwasha ibhodo
Yeah.
mangiceda ukuphaka futhi kumele umunye ayewasha ibhodo ukuthi mawufike late uyodlale ngoba u10 wadwa late
Yeah.
ngiyangithola manje kusho kumele ugijimele ukuthi ufike ebhodweni icala unless unemali yakho ukuzithengela itake away nyana ke
Lona ujwayele ubutepetepe
mina
bale
ngijayele
khosini.
ubutepetepe balapha sizinengile no KG sithi hayi ukudla sizothola ubathi emadoda la umazibona
UKG uKagiso
Sinamela,
Kalawa Jazz.
Sure.
Yeah, ngikhuluma ngezinto.
yeah
Izinje kurule.
inja
Yeah.
big up hayi inja
Yeah.
uyayibona alright it's Jimmy V hayi hardly V for sure ma 3 days to fourth day ngithola call from uLinda Sokhela Lunga Sokhela umntana ka Sokhela
Yeah, Mazulu.
yeah okay sharp mina uthe Dimitri Frostana because bekafuna ukungisayina asese lapha ku Chiefs so mina bengisolo ngiyi1 ngiyojima ne first team very kudala bekumina bengisayinile so uthe wavaya waya kuMazulu wafika uMiddendorp ngisho
Yeah.
nakhona kanjalo but ngicine sengisayina under uMiddendorp akhona
Okay.
so mina uthe Dimitri yangazi from ku Chiefs siyafika ke lapha ke le ndoda bathi nikhona nilana madoda sicabanga ukuthi nize ngapha bese nisayinile lapho ku Durban Stars na ngithi mina asikaka sayini nix nina niva manje nikuphi bathi asise South Beach ngithi ayinathi le ndawo ngiyazi but singani describe ukuthi kukuphi nakuphi nizothumela imoto izosilanda hayi athi lo bhuti lo okay akunankinga ngithi eKagiso endoda mina yahamba ngithatha ibag ngiyapaka manje ngiyahamba uyapi ngithi endoda amaZulu ayafona manje ukuthi sizwakale uthini uyasala noma uyahamba athi ayasabe bayahlanya lapha asabe siyapaka izinto zethu baletha imoto yasithatha yasibeka le masifika sithola uthe Dimitri obvious mina uyangena vele hayi shosho and then ubani lo nyamtsheta ukagiso so kunje hayi ugrand hayi so but okay Jim kusakhutsha ubani time leli yase Durban awuthi yakhona ngikhohle igama lalo coach but ucoach la ngeli1 le weekend le game esiyidlalile neArrows behlala neArrows iweekend yakhona mabasicede usign lapho no KG
so bani sign without the consent ye Chiefs nina
Amazulu
manje kumaZulu angithi
bese ku Durban Stars yeah
yes
sure
so
bona
nina-
babona sebabona ukuthi sign kumaZulu bajump sekulethu sesayine kumaZulu thina sasayina nguDurban Stars Yeah.
so it Durban Stars money I mean yeah Durban Stars money yani yange loan
yeah kusho ukuthi bebasilona from ku Chiefs to Durban Stars
so beningaka sign
besingakasayi
so amazulu iyanibiza ngicina sensigna
sisayine
so man
kumaZulu
signa ku amazulu is it a loan from Kaizer Chiefs or seniyazisignela
yes sisayinile because iloan sebazibona amazulu sewaphethe ama details wethu sebayosayina kuphi eJozi sorry bosayina eJozi ukuthi emadoda phela labafana sebangapha
Yeah.
sicela ukubasebenzisa sesibathathile balana nawo amaphepha wabo into ezinabo nina just ukuthi sigayini yeah lokho kuncane bese siyaba
all right
uyayibona
yeah.
okay kube yonke into ibe successful la ibe right ngidlale mina first game yona le weekend yokuqala ngoba ngisho ngiyasho ukuthi ucoach uthe vele uyangifrostana ngene second half first touch ngenza ipenalty siyakora ke manje Arrows besidla 2-0 siyakora 2-1 I think naku Arrows bangibone lapha bona ngoba manje vele yangisho kuyakhulunywa iDurban incane manje le ntwana lezo yizo zibuya kuphi azange adlala uKG on the first day the second game esiyidlalile no KG ngicalile wena ongena second half mara lo coach lo bekakhona bamvayisile bayelethe bani uJulio Leal yase Brazil
yase Brazil
sure then from lapho ke hayi sasishaye sayiceda ke vele bese stempelile no KG
senipherile lapha
ya seyithu manje seqala thina
Banjwe
ya manje sekuyithi ke manje ya secontroller thina ke manje phethu the shoe uLucky Mzizi uSibusiso Ntuli bese kuba yimi uDennis Lot
yeah
i5 year phambili leyo
Niyathemba.
bese uThemba Mnguni nabo Silo Jan Silo washona i-right back may soul rest in peace yeah la imove asibophele nakhona siphethe i-team be right kakhulu man yeah so cause sometimes kumnandi ukudlalela ama team aku relegation because sinama bonus uyayibona bonus besidlisa man
benhlelini umnandi
besihlelisa imnandi ibonus besidlisa mfethu isalary angiyazi mfethu isalary yazi ngapha sihlala Sunday Wednesday Saturday Tuesday uyayibona uhlala usecampini imali yakho ayispanisi
mara i-deal le abanikayo yona be grand financially mara
financial no bese right
Yeah.
because besihola ngapha nangapha iChiefs besigayinyo nangale basiholela uyabo usho ukuthi bebakhuluma ukuthi bazogamba mahafafa into ezinjalo yeah but besihola ngale basiholisana ngapha
so you played the whole season at
yeah
Amazulu?
le we half a season besel
half a season
yeah from January till June
And-
ngoba sidlale nama playoffs angisho
yeah
sidlale nama playoffs so ama playoffs awa winner nawo yeah yonke into aba right then we had to come back ngapha
so niyabuya ku Kaizer Chiefs uMidondopho sesekhona
ndoda sikhuphula ifuba no KG sithi besenza amasimba Brian bayahlanya laba
banibonile nine show
babonile phela sadla amazulu sadla iChiefs ngamaZulu 2-1 sabatribuna masiceda usekhumula kusesenabo umumisho
ngiyakhumbula le game
yeah ufibe ngamenzela istory lapha kukudala ngibacalele vele just ukuthi baveze nje intonyana ezincane hayibo bacalele kakhulu
uligibele
makancane akosikara bamakha kanje wathi bezibuya ngalela la into ukuthi iyathi imle manje yasikhothisa bathi asina experience enough ne ukuthi singadlala ku PSL
uyayibambe kancane mfethu let me remind our people ku JMDS. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest news zaku JMDS. Yeah, sisaqhubeka sisaphethe lengwenya yami sangitshela ukuthi hayi ubani yona mfethu. Yeah.
Sayenza istory.
Niyabuyela lapha eLuntuzana.
Sesibuyele neTurena phela manje. Sasho ukuthi no labantu laba sibabonisile ukuthi no hayi
Umzizi yena bekayenzani bekakulone or
umzizi besekathengiwe beseka out
Okay.
yeah besekazivayele vele ngoba sithe masicela ukudlala kumaZulu isizini mayiphela waya ku Celtics isikhathi sezo sign ne Celtics
Yeah. Okay.
yabo So ayithina siyajima sekubuza bonkosi yabona inkosi
Siyabonga Nkosi.
siyabonga nkosi ama player amasha ke lawo uma Bhuti Khanyeza icale lapho le ndaba eswabdile mara thina because we had a little knowledge ngale ndaba zokuthi siyahamba or senzani kwenzakalani ema-ofisini bathi sihambe seDurban seku Arrows ngina KG mina Brian mangiyilapho hayi mofuna ukuvaya mina ngiyilapho mina mawukuthi ngiyahamba futhi ngibuyela kumaZulu noma ngiyasilwela ischeme vele ngine right ukuthi ngingasilwela ischeme angisho ngiphathe team
Uyazithemba.
yeah ngiyazithemba
Lapha ku-position yakho kuchize mhlawumbe ukhompyutha nabo bani mawubheka bobani mhlawumbe kumele uyolwa nabo at that time.
by the time bekusesekhona uMazenke sorry atazwana bese imbiza Mazenke ngisho manje abona amazinyo so labantu labo
Yeah.
so sure besinaye lapho uyakubo right wing yabona center kusethi nabo Thabo Muki hayi team vele be strong mara nami bengingakhona ukuthi ngiyakhompyutha yeah because nambe sengibonile ukuthi i-value ngayi-add khona la eteamini
And yabo
Yeah, phela
mhlawumbe isikhathi sesambile uyabona ukuthi ngamphusha le.
yeah nabo phela amaGrootman bengashishilizisa lapha bengicede i-training session ulona ayicede so no bafana ngathi usudribula amaGrootman kakhulu iphelile i-training manje no
Yeah.
shayani 2 laps lapho ni stretch enihambeni ngiyakutshela bazokutshela nabo lakhe ngadribula uTsikitsika mara badotima kancane Grootman ngesibuya lapha
Kudala kuzizwa izitori zakho
manje umilando phakasifunde izinto lezi yabo
Yeah.
amadribulana okay 1 touch 2 touch ngiyashaya ngibest foot nangayo so mangicale ngiphela
Uma
manje
kancane,
sekumnandi
yeah, awume kancane before usakhuluma Umilondo wavayisa uSkara uChiefs ne?
yeah
Oh ngayo
ngayo
into
le
ukushukela
wile
kusi-
yeah nayo no junior naye
Yeah.
yeah vele bengabafuni bese masizodlala ama friendly game nabo uye yaseseku Cosmos so besithanda ukwenza ama friendly nebo Cosmos dlala ngama Wednesday
Yeah.
ya sizodlala mara uyazi mosiya leader manje kunalo muntu ozolahla khona mhlawumbe uthi vase nyana tsamaya nyana yabona
Yeah.
uzuma lapha stop what is that hey
Ayisa.
Skara out
Cabanga.
I don't want this out hey uyabona na ukuthi nami ngashaya lento le hayi nami ngiyahamba
So sekachintsha ubuwena.
uyayibona
And yinto
mara bangisayine
ebekwe-
ngayo la ile
Yeah.
from development bangisayine ngayo le mina ngiyenzayo la
Bakubonile ukumaZulu udla iChiefs.
ngayo
Wenza yona
le
lento le.
mara still usathethiswa ngayo futhi
Ulethi European mentality.
mfethu yazi ezinye izinto and manje nakumele ngigwinye la angisakhona ukugwinya sekumele ngiphase emuva because ngizothi ngithi ngenza something asithi la ngiphunyukela ke
Yeah.
uyothi ngoba uzongithethisa
Yes.
unless iphasile lento ngithi ngiyayenza bese ngishaya i-cross right score
So udlala uchukiwe or a remote control and which is something ntwana this European mentality or the Europeans when they came to our country but change ibhola lethu kancane.
kakhulu
Only now that I see a little bit of freedom abayigaya intwana but there's a moment in our football when izinto ziyaphansi it's because of ama Europeans kakhulu ba penetrate ifootball yethu bafuna ukusichange and players like yourself azange basaba ne room to express themselves.
sizoyithola kanjani
I
because
mean umambisa kanjani uSkara and I understand now what you are saying and I've always asked myself with the whole hype bekhona ngawe why you could not play at Kaizer Chiefs.
mina ngithi Grootman le out Milondo bengidlalisa left back la iyazi ukuthi emuva bengithi left back ngebhadi layo ngifike ngishaye kahle ithi center back ngifike ngidlale ngishaye kahle ithi right winger kusasa ngishaye kahle afake behind bengekho la ngibonga uFloyd Mogale Floyd blessed kusho ukuthi na ku development bengidlala almost lama position la hayi uzodlala center back uzodlala right back yabona so uyakhona ukuthi uadopt fast izinto uyadapt manje so yabo so grand so naye ungincedile umunye umfethu ungincedile kakhulu saphuma negengenyana yami yalapha ku Chiefs sayohasa man yabona bese njengoba sohasa kanje ugrade 12 phela sishaya ugrade 12 manje ngibiza abantwana wona Grootman engifunda nabo eclassini siyavaya i21st ezocherry 1 walapha eclassini ngithatha mina bonke labantu balapha ku club house ngiyoba khasisa le mara phela bengasiyifoster ngisho siphumile sonke singamajita sonke siyalingana ayi singabuyi man problem asingabuyi siyadlala iSunday singabuyi sonke indlu yonke house 15 basibhaca ngani ngama plate wayizolo ebusuku ukuthi awadliwanga wonke lama plate kusho ukuthi vela sibuya sibuye ekseni sekumele siyodlala bathola ukuthi le genge yonke beyingekho la bathi ubani uzene obdrag la abantu abaholayo yimi noThokozani Sosibo angisho sidlala ku development mara sesihola imali yani ye first team yimi uThokozani Sosibo ukhuni yithi abantu abaningi ukudlula bonke labantu basibona besihola ama 350
first team
manje no first team besihola malini 6.8 mina bengithola 6.8 asithi 7000 just nje si round off because more we development vele abanye bebathola ama 6000 banye 6.5 mina ngifike sokuyi 7000 yabo 20000 signing on fee angiyitholanga ngakayitholi namhlanje so ezinye izinto ayibona ukuthi izibuye zibe ngenye indlela but it's fine okay sihambe kumele siyodlala le game engikhuluma ngayo azange siyidlala abaningi besilele lapha yana sekumele bafaka ama under 17 bawufake kuphi
nikhathele
ku reserve sikhathele sense asibuyanga endlini
uCalvin Sosibo mosibeka ngaphuzi
ukhona naye lapha yesibeka ngahasi mara ukhona akabuyelanga endlini ukhona so ngithi mina indlu yonke ubusiness uzithandela alright it's fine
sorry Calvin so
amara I'll take render
very disciplined
kakhulu nabozuke usandile zuke machita ke vele besonke alright it's okay ngithathe sembantwana sengiyowafakela manje lezi ze first team ngisho phela mina ngijima ngapha nanga phela mina ngwezithu ngiphethe usikhokho bazongikwatela ke lapha siyavazi sensitive like imzizwe intokozo sikhakhani uthash Jimmy Tao ban Thabo Muki maru dlule wahamba yena uBhuwa Sesh Jehowa Grootman sibhlungu le story ngoba manje egcineni Monday babize mina ngingwane officeini mara phela ukuthi ngibala abantu abayingakhi la bakhona kuyo lento engikhuluma ngayo
eGroovin
ngabe sikhona ngizena nabantwana beso kahle kahle bekuyiphathi yaka Lucky Mzizi uLucky Mzizi bekathena 21 if I'm not mistaken ngize nalabantwana ngirecruitile mina labantwana
wena wadonsa store
ngidonsa store nyana
uphethe amaGrootman
ngiphethe amaGrootman kusasa it's Sunday basise sentini ngazi kwelinye indawo nyana nje lapha esentini isho ukuthi park ngiyaqala first time nami ukuthi ngiyaphuma naye nawo lamaGrootman ahleli la azothini bathi ndoda phuza ndoda yini inkinga yakho asingeni ndawo la wena zilonge uzifakela abantwana kuna flop mara Monday officeini enhle Tuesday ekseni ngo10 bathi uBhubu uyakufuna le officeini ndoda usondele problem ke manje ngifuna ema-officeini
beningadlali weekend
bese off I think bekuyi FIFA weekend bese off sijimile kuseni sijima Saturday ekseni bese afternoon off Sunday off Monday yangena ngiyakutshela Bhuka love wena sani qalile le ndaba zakho into zase Davidson lezi yayibona yena mara sengenzini mara kanti waye kuze mina ngiyingwani ngoba besibaningi phela kuyo yonke lesini phela bengekho yiwani
Davidson
inkinga ile Davidson problem
so uyakhombeka
but buyele Jimini siza kubiza sizokhuluma nawe out I made end up na ndot bathi uyahlupha wena kanti kwenzakalani uyangifrosta million ndop bathi uyahlupha wena ngitesh man edladleni bekunesipani nyana manje vele besishaya ama drinks ngiyaxolisa so right la ungayiphindi uyenze la ile alright sha angikhulumele no lo mfana no mina ngiyamdinga angazi ke sense ngoba kuba umntwana vele egcineni ingakapheli nokuphela indaba mina ngithatha enye intwana engiyifrostana bathi umzambia ihlala eDurban
hayi lo ngathi buhlupha nawe
ngithatha le ntwana ngiyishayise round mfethu ucabanga
hayi ntwana
ngiyishayise abarentwana yama lentwana yazi umuntu omncane yamncane
yeah
yangithi hayi intwana yami athi sishaye sihambe sothenga ukudla pizza nyana ngisho mina yimi engiholayo yena kana nix usesencane under 15 under 17 if I'm not mistaken
ngiyayikena le ntwana umzambiya
yeah umzambiya
yeah
mthobisi ngikhohle isibongo sakhe
yeah
sure hey ngiyayikhipha le ntwana kanti utavi uzwile ukuthi uthasha uthathe le ntwana ohambile bahambe naye and ngiyicelile ecala utavi ngicela ukulanda for example usense siyaphuma mara siyabuya hayi awuyi lapha lo mfana azasuke la thasha ngizocabana nawe
wayithatha we
ayi ngithi bahambile labantu abadala ngithi bahambile ngizenza uclever nyana ngiyayilanda le ntwana ngekari siyavaya yo kanti ngizilethela nje ezinye izinto ezinje ezikude nakimi na intwana esabuyela endlini ngigayela inye ungayibuyeli mina ngazi ukuthi ivayile ubuyele endlini ayibuyelanga ngambile ayojola intwana nenyiwe sengiyafonela kufuneka le ntwana ngithe lo muntu lo since ngithi avaye mina Thiyavaya buyelele endlini mina ngazi nix nami la ngikhona nginale awuthi bathu speaker umnaring ngihleli nomnaring lapha yiyo ngithi hayi nix ngizishayile around plaza ngijimi ngiyoze ngijime Tuesday I think afternoon ta vivele bangibizela meeting Monday meeting atathasha awuthi upolice ingcondo kancane mfana icale lapho le ndaba yeloan
wase ba decided ukuthi uyahlupha
ngathi le izosky problem vaya
ngabe uphethe nalelo ntuzane ukuthi ubuye eDavidton
nale nto uthi ngibuye eDavidton
and bathi sishila ama players eDavidton vele ayahlupha
and which is ngicela ukubatshela sense lebona simbantu utavi ngithi kuye ngicela ukusuka mina la kuhlala khona idevelopment ngicela niyongitholela indawo le la ngisho manje sengijima nefestival yeah ngihlale nalabantu abadala le ngisuke la ngoba vele lo muntu egcineni ngizohamba naye because ngihlala naye la endlini
yeah
mara mina ngicela nje just ukuthi ngisuke ngiyohlala bekusese khona lapha indawo ngase Southgate
yeah lapha ngase Southgate
uMondi yini yeah bekunama townhouse lapha amajita bahlala khona la behlala khona ukhulu bengayohlala khona ngasuggesta mina ukuthi ngicela ukulanda iOld Lam ngizohlala neOld Lam la
lingade
yeah lingade ngisho mina ningakayenzakali yonke lena
yeah
ngathi ngicela ukulanda umama wami le ngitholele indawo lapho ngizohlala nomama wami uyabona ukuthi bengizibeka kahle la yinini
yeah
bayishayisana indaba khona bayishayisana kwaze kwayenzakala wona lama flop lawo but unfortunately yeah kwadlula ngahamba ka le Durban ngasipana nakhona
sisese kuyo lento leyo mfethu because there's this narrative yama player wase Davidton vele and ngifuna siyilungise namhlanje and for the future players wasekhaya ukuthi bangabamba ile stigma sokuthi players wase Davidton are corrupt at Kaizer Chiefs mfethu icalwe lo bhuti ohlala la kulesitulo le
ngoba
ucecile man icalwe uye
hey
but
ngobuta bakhe indaba ubuka start too much
yeah mara uthi abumoshile but he played for Kaizer Chiefs
sure
that's the big difference between wena
yeah
uRoy
no Roy
uSkapi uJunior na udlalalila kufana but nina uRoy uwe uSkapi with the great talent that you had
Shakes Sondlane so unfortunately lo washona may soul rest in peace Sondlane Shakes umfana ohlala eBarcelona wasethwathu
yeah
bekasayinile na first team
besayinile naye all of you great as you were ngetalent skill but you never got to play iquestion yami ukuthi intwana you saw uJunior you saw uJabu bekungakhonakala ukuthi maybe nifunde from that ukuthi thina we're not going to walk that path thina will fix and would want to play for Kaizer Chiefs
yabona leyo Grootman yithi esibhedile engathi yithi mina personally ngoba ngeke ngikhulumele umunye umuntu ongekho la ngikhomba mina
yeah
because I could easily walk away from abantu laba bava ebusuku.
Yeah,
But ngoba uphapha yazi uphapha
sure.
ngaleso sikhathi leso nje ukuthi hayi ngisesenesikhathi man hayi ngisesemncane hayi iplan ngizaliyenza kanti by that time uyamosha uyabona so angeke ngiblame abozibani nami
You take the play.
yeah ukuthi mina ngiliyenzile iflop because akekho umuntu okufostayo ukuthi
Asambe siyogroove, asambe siyoyenza
wena
so.
uwo decide ukuthi manje
And
vele
you were well aware.
sure
Yeah.
yabo so that's why ngithi angeke ngiblame abantu ngiyozblame mina ngayo yonke into engiyenzile egcineni ama decision bowathathwa yimi angeke ngithathele decision mina mangithe hayi vele nginjalo.
Yeah, because yazi why ngisho lento le there's a lot of players that mina I try to help personally ngithi ngiyawavayisa but there's still this thing yokuthi ama players eDavid wona ayahlupha. Ase David wona ayaphuza but then every now and then I'll have to ukuthi ngiconvince abantu ukuthi no man lento ani right. Yabo ngicela nika I chance. Wena personally as you left Kaizer Chiefs into zakho zaphela uKaizer Chiefs and you try to continue with your career. That stigma sase David wona zange ngikubambe somewhere
singilandele bengicine ngithi mina ngihlala eDavidson ngihlala eCloverton ngoba njalo mangifika eThimini but phela kuyakhumula ngeze ngazojimana nani kuVets.
Yeah,
If you remember correctly ngeke ngeze
yeah.
ngazojimana nani kuVets.
Yeah.
Eric no Roger bebafuna iClarence Lam.
Yeah.
Azibhola ngiphethe enye out bathi uThabo Mloto
Ngiyamcava uThabo yeah.
la uthi lena ngimithise ukhuni uthi awuthe grand agent nani okay khune ngoba vele uthi unje akuna flop yayi siyasayina phansi ukuthi mina naye siyagree ukuthi ya uzongiphatha mara mina ngizisukele eDavidson ngayocela ukujima uMahlubi futhi bekakhona nganceda uChana ukuthi ngizojima nani
Yeah.
but le out izithu zithe zicela iClearance bengihola malini linye abatshela bengihola imali so uThabo yena akekho nokuba khona la ufuna enye imali yesidudle engaka uyayibona le out zithendo dambo land iClearance lakho kule out le kuphethe uzizele la ngoba thina ngeke siyimele le ndaba ayikhulumayo into ezinjalo wena ngisho ukuthi ufuna ichance ayi angazi ukuthi ama number ukuthi beze kanjani ukuthi Davidton yo sengiyabuya ngiphethe Clarence ke manje ngize Jimmy ngiphethe Clarence before ngilikhipha bangibiza uEric mfana angesakhona ukusayina uyadura ngeke sikhona ukubhadala singakakhulumi ukuthi uyabona ukuthi sebangishaya ngani manje kanti sebafonile ukuthi lo muntu ubuya phi bafonela bani uMato Madlala
Yeah.
ngibuya ku-Arrows phela by the time
Arrows.
yeah ngize ngapha
So uMato Madlala bathi hey
imani kancane uyayibona siku number 1 phela labantu ngikhuluma ngabantu abaliphezulu kakhulu
shoot wena mawufika eThekwini Steelers zanguBeef
kuphi
leThekwini
eThekwini bheka la sense uMazulu mfethu besithi masiqeda ukuwina iboss yona self uchiza ubaba bani Sokhela lo muntu mfethu beka ibar open bar for everyone wonke umuntu till ngo12 ocean besingena konje not ocean basket besingena konje kunendawo besingena kuyo till ngo12 wonke umuntu free no coach literal ucoach wethu uHulo Liyali sonke assistant coach abantu abasebenzayo abantu abadrivayo like wonke umuntu
ngihlala nibshaya
sonke
yeah
and then ngo12 bayivalithela Monday Tuesday sibuye lapha eGym no Monday whatever situation sibuye eGym and sibuye sasipana sonke
which was not a problem
yeah bengana nkingi so mina nginaleyo mentality ukuthi mangiceda ukudlala ngiyavanya ukhasa mangiceda ukudlala unless it during the week during the week hayi vele obviously asikwazi mara weekend out so ngiyafika uyangisayina uMato wena ngizwile bathi awuphuza uyabukhalela mara mina ngiyakusayina so lokunjalo ngiyakusayina uyayibona manje ukuthi ngisho wena usangifuna
ukubonile
at the time uyangifuna
yeah
no Rocky naye ukuthi ushonile may soul rest in peace Manqoba Mnqithi Mandla Ncikazi yeah yibo bocoach by the time ale uManqoba ingazela from ezikolweni kuma national team wegol abona sihlala
Yeah.
vele bekacoach lo so ungazela from lapho
Lapho yeah.
so angisumuntu omusha lapha kuye so bangithipha but emfethu asinankinga na ukuthi ungashashaya mara isikhathi ejim sihloniphe mfethu ngathi okay ngahlala yazi inkinga azibamba yona sense boma 2 close to 2 months ngifuna ukudlala ngisho phela bangithathile kuMazulu bengidlala lapha ngihlangana noPapi Zotswane Dikgasho Khuboni center
national team
nama regular ke labantu laba
yeah izinja kuphela
right winger left winger ushange Philane Shange
yo
Thokozisi ubani umshengu henyekane
ah mamela
hayi makancane phela yimpenye engapheli leyo mfethu
yeah
uyayibona khona bayingabambishina ngoku sesenabo Y2K usibeko
yeah
besibaningi lapha
maka nawu yinja
nami ngiza self
nethi ukuthi zona izinja zalapha
ngithole zalapha yana ke mina
yeah
okay mara uzokho ufuna ukungidlalisa angifiki ngapha kumele banginamasendi inyani besikhulume ngako ukuthi mangidlala ama game ay5 kumele bang increase ngapha bangigaye yabona imali inyana futhi madala side uRuka shona ceda ukushona izinto seziyatshintsha ke manje ngisipani ngibona idala abantu badlala ngami mfethu ngihlale njalo ngisuba uPapi yena uPapi ufika Thursday ejimini athi ngifuna ukuzinyawo ukuthi linjani weekend Saturday uyayicala uyayiceda Sunday akekho Monday okay Monday Sunday asijim Monday siyajim siyagijima thina Monday Tuesday siyagijima akekho Papi Wednesday kula ngathi siku moderate
ijinja
Thursday adathi ngilizwe coach
awuz
you lead 1 yenza into
Papi Zotswane
Saturday uyayiceda uyayibona manje ukuthi njani ngithi abantu bangijwayela la azodlala ngami
skisi mara leyo bekuyini
no hayi nabe kuyini
hayi makaqale
yabona ukuthi ukubolela abantu abayingaki
Khuboni Kagiso Dikgatsho
yeah bekunyiwe ngiqalele ke lento zami sengibuyele emuva ngithi weekend yami
so ba depressed
intwana ukuthi hayi kunini ngizibambile ngibuyele vele masiceda ukujima Saturday abahambayo 18 yavanye nje nina nasala ngihambe ngizishayela but ayinyenzi ukuthi ngibe happy mfethu ngoba manje if ever bengikhonile ukuthi ngibekezele
no it's irreality one thing that I need to remind people here ngale toro zicocayo is that in this show if now you didn't know we aim to educate we aim to entertain
sure
and to engage with our followers with JMDS
sure
or anyone who watches this show so we are still educating by telling this story
sure
you understand ngifuna ungena ku issue ukuthi you are not playing and there's a lot of players that play football makangadlali
sure
uba frustrated and all of us injalo ma ungadlali u feel ngathi you deserve to play you become frustrated and if there's no help ozoyithola or support most of us siyakupha ebhodleleni
sure
and that's the reality that South Africans abafuna kuyibona but we must tell abantu ukuthi bazi what is happening ngiyangithola even with current players iyayenzakala unless umuntu disciplined or une support
sure
and these teams don't offer support to players abangadlali ma ungadlali
uzazibona
and icabanga wena ule
unfortunately enye into enokusiconvince ukuthi siyenze lezi zinto lezi because I remember very well ukuthi amaZulu ngaleso sikhathi leso yibo bebaphusha bathi thola iClearance lakho thola indlela ukuthi uxabane nalabantu and indlela yokuxabana nalabantu ukuthi ngishaye bangixoshe bese nyavaya uyayibona ukuthi nama ngicabanganga kahle ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi amaZulu ayangifuna manje bafona now and then Tash kanti iClearance uza nini ejimini Tash iClearance yabona ngapha bangidlalisa ngithi okay athi ngimoshe bazokhona ukuthi kanti ngiyabheda ke lapho vele ngibheda kokugcina so azange ngisebenzele because ngithe mangiceda ukuthola iClearance lo muntu bekafuna iClearance lami kumaZulu uhambile teamini sekusela abanye abantu abasha ke manje new management what mina ngimoshile la abasekho laba sekumele ngenzeni
ubuye esana
ngibuyela kuphi Swallows coach uJulio Leal umadala wami madala vele Young Frostani
so masuka kumaZulu uye waya kuSwallows.
yeah
Okay.
yebo ngiyafika eKasi izinto zomhlaba ngithi ngiyoshaya ama round nyana ama out nyana baby yabo
Yeah.
kukhona uCherry kaTerence leyasendlini bafuna ukumthatha ngenkani senyolwisa le out efuna ukuthatha bani Cherry umfowethu
Yeah.
okay courage le out ngihlule yabo ngiyayihlula le out ivayo yolanda ischeme
Ushaya ngama right.
yeah guys go ivayo kamina nkeni ukuthi yavaya mina ngihamba ngiyolala khabo out yami asho ngizoshaya round manje imele ngabe ngejimini kuSwallows zingivevuzela i-out this is feel my 5-6 anyone ngishaya insimbi la wa kilikiti phansi bangigande iwanya thatha lesitini esingaka ngitshela umunye umntana omncane ngisele nomunye umntana omncane kwale kuleya ndlu leya athi bangishaya isitini
Yo,
wa fadla ngivuka esibhedlela
yebe bakubulala.
bengithatha le out ngivuka esibhedlela yona namhlanje ngisezene gap bekuphuke ijo
Yo.
manje imele ngiyoqala ukujima uyayibona njani sekumele kuphelela amanceba lawa mele ngibohle ndoda
Yeah.
yena umdala ulindile lapho uthasha uyeza
Awukhona nokunotify ukuthi ulimele.
waye ngakhona ukuze
Uphela ulimele usesibhedlela.
ngilimalele kuphi ngiyindaba ezinjani ngapha seyaceda ukuzwa ngale uMatu ukuthi nakhona bese kangishayela ifever ngokuthi Young Frostani uzwe uta indoda wena bathi hey
Uyakwazi vele ukuthi angithi ubuhlaba.
duzane naye uyayibona ungashaya ngathi uyadlulela uyayibona ngithi skisi ngizoziphatha kahle athi hayi no akunankinga izamande uzoqala ukujima kuphi angivelanga uyayibona masenjani.
So you stayed injured for how long? Maybe leyo injury leyo.
Close to 2 months phela lapha iligi iyaqala mfethu
So mawuphola uthi uyabuyela kuye.
Zange ngizihluphe nokuzihlupha uthi ngibuyele mfethu
Yeah.
ngizobuya kanjani mfethu ngizoya kanjani so ungalinda till December ngadlala ibhola lethu lakhilisa wina uMusanyathama bese team esiyenzile sayiwina ngalowo nyaka lo December lo sayiwina sicede eJanuary then ngathatha leyo mali esiyiwinile ngahlaba ilona pass out ngazidlalela ibhola futhi so namanje angeke ngisakhona ukuthi ngiya ku PSL ngiya kuphi NFT
so rebuild.
Yeah ukuthi ngizokhona ukuthi ngibuye kahle.
Yeah. So yeah, usakhuluma ngobhuti wakho mfethu. You come from for a family mina mangibheka because mina ngazi ukuthi vele benabo bhuti wona no Terence. And both of you were very 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 talented.
Sure.
Khotman yako or your cousin as you put it, left back, very strong, ended up signing for Sundowns first team.
Sure.
But now he had the very same problems that you
Sure.
had. Drinking, party,
Yes. And manje
amantombazana.
unfortunately naba amantombazana asibulala mani. Sayisawathanda mani. Wazi. Besibhizi nalomjita ngaboCherry.
Noithu. Ukuthi noithu niku height ye career yenu nilapho.
Uku-Sundowns Sundowns. Sihlangana endlini. Organize abantwana bakho ngoorganize abantwana bami. Siphethe bovuyo vele Lerato.
Nabolungisana indlela.
John Mabizela, Oscar Ntwahai.
Nokufika nivala imabaso bengizwa bathi nokufika nivala imabaso kube rough.
Bezibu and bona bayawina nangapha bona bathola amabonus ke bona bawes. Ama-match bonus beshaya ama-match bonus ke bona ke bebawes. So lana man abona iskate yamantombazana.
Would you say simkhostile mfa?
Phela ngaphandle kwamantombazana bumnandini akukho mnandi.
Yeah.
Manje vele sigijimise ini amantombazana wagijimisa ngani ngesitayela leso zobusiyenza. Uyabona manje. And iyakuletisa yonke lento la usayejimini. And manje bheka uTerence. Kulabantu engicela ukubabala. Ubhuti wami shemazi laba bonke labantu bayadlala labantu. Baku first line up.
Lerato Lungisani.
Baku first line up bonke labantu. Wena ubuya ku development. akwakadlali nokuya kuphi mara ubhizi nale genge le
Yeah.
no uzo influencer labo yabona masenjani abathi laba ba influencer lo uzomusha lapha
but into bengicabanga ukuthi lo intwana but is able to take amajita akhruta walethe ekhasi
angisho into engishoyo nabo phela bayabaleka lethembisa abathanda ukuhlala le Davidson kumnandi abantu babona abantu abasha uyayibona
Yeah.
so bekumnandi for bona ke abajita ukuthi beze ngapha and bese bazela noma mina ngingekho bayazela bayashela iround le sebaphethe nabo abantu babo ke ngoba vele umjolo
but wena neyaki wakho anihlali phansi nikhuzana ukuthi amara mfana or abazali benu maybe akunaka ukuthi kubantu bambe ngefamily meeting ukuthi guys no phela there's no way ukuthi bangahlala bangaboni ukuthi guys we are going off the rails manje
ngaleso sikhathi ubaba kaTerence noma Terence bahlala eDelmas mina ilami ulili lihlala la ithama lami lihlala eDelmas
so abakhona ukunimonitora kahle hle babone ukuthi
asitholakali ngoba nathi masithi siyafika sanibonani nayinyuku shibhek siyabuya manje siyabuya uyobuya nini after 2 days so isikhathi sokukhuluma siphi ngoba nakhona ubuya nje uthatha ibhek ngizonibona sesihamba imoto esimelela ngapha ni right niphethe bambana yilo
yeah bayathula vele go
out uyayibona
yeah
and ayikuthi kanjani vele bekuyiplan ukuthi imanye uhlala endlini yobazo soba busy bakhuluma nawe into ezibhaya ngcono vele nje uyashiya
and akusistory sakho uyiwani istory sethu sonke abodaki mfethu that's how we lived or we live as ama professional footballers fike ekhaya ubathulisa ngemali out
uyaphuma
there abakhona ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani empilweni yakho unless ba close nawe abazali but yeah enye into mfethu engifuna ukukubuza yona we all come from Davidson
sure
khona uHlotman mfethu indaba yakhe asikayikhulumi kahle ezamajidi indaba yaka Mahlubi
sure
everyone ubuye Davidson uye ku Chiefs because of Mahlubi
because of Uchana most
Yeah,
asithi
most.
90%
yeah 95%
yeah ngoba abanye babe unfortunate ukushayela ilumeni baba unfortunate ngokuthi uyasika ngisho
Yeah.
so that's why mhlambe
Sekhathekile
kube ingalendlela engayo manje but laba abatholile isikhathi sakaMahlubi usenzele saba best nje empilweni
so would you say mfethu ilontuzana because ingiphatha kabi indaba yaka Mahlubi ilontuzana iKaizer Chiefs as an institution don't you think ukuthi they could have done something for uMahlubi for bringing them all these talented players from good development to first team because the Chiefs not good bemenge ngeDavidson but I can say Chiefs mfethu ibe strong because of ama players wase Davidson
kule era mina from kini nabo Jali bengazi ukuthi Davidson bekuphuma ikhumbi
yeah
abanye bahlala khona
two yamakhumbi
abanye bahlala khona ngapha eJozi
yes
buthi mawubhekile kuna under 13 kuna 7 ama player and bayadlala bonke under 15 kuna 5 under 17 kuna ngaki kanjalo like bakhona abantu abadlalayo but manje currently akunani expect namanje sele ngabantu abayingaka abadlala ku PSL
exactly and yilento engisho ntwana ukuthi don't you think Kaizer Chiefs should have done something for Uchana ngiqale ngayo nje iChiefs ukuthi just imbonge or imhonore
bekumele bayenze plan man baningi labantu aMahlubi abalethile lapha
from bo Martin Zwane Polendla Jabupule Nhlanhla kubheka ubani uClement Joe Mabena myself Junior Khanye Skapi yourself Humphrey Mlwane basibaningi mfethu
it's a lot
because uMahlubi manje guys he's not well, he's suffering from dementia. He lives in a home, things are tough for him. Mangafika now ngeke sakukhumbule. I went to see him the other day. Akasangikhumbuli. Things are bad and I don't know ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs knows this or they don't know this, but this is someone that has done things for Kaizer Chiefs. This is someone that has contributed to Kaizer Chiefs. To this day they have Ujabu Pule Mahlangu because of uMahlubi. They have Paul Ndlanya. I'm counting the great Kaizer Chiefs players. They have Paul Ndlanya because of that old man. But this old man now is sick. nothing is happening for him, and this ingiphatha kabi mfethu. But without ukuthi mhlambe ngishaye Kaizer Chiefs, nathi uMahlubi contributed a lot to us. Don't you think maybe nathi we can do something, a game nyana, just to honor the old man? Uyamthola sihlangane sisonke. And not only my players at Davidson, because uMahlubi bekanganakekile ama players at Davidson kuphela. Whether ubuye eThekwini,
as long as
ubuye
ugood.
KZ, ubuye Eastern Cape, like he looked after everyone.
Noma ubuyaphi, as long as ugood uMahlubi uzokuphatha grand and uzokufeelisa ukuthi uyiplayer,
Yeah.
uyabona, even though bangakufuni labantu abakhona laphayana, but yena uzowenza sure ukuthi uthatha kuse kwenye team.
Yeah, if
Yeah. Chiefs ayikufuni uyokuthatha kuthola elinye team or akufaka uPirates or hey,
that's how it happened. Ngitsho kungena emlomeni. That's how it happened with me. Kaizer Chiefs I played development. Mase ba promoter ngaba nenkinga. He took me to SuperSport. Wangirecommenda kuPitso Musimane. And that's how I played professional football. Uyangithola. So uMahlubi is someone that man needs to be honored, and I just wish ukuthi lamagama wami or this conversation can reach the powers that be at Kaizer Chiefs. Junior Kaizer, he's a sporting director currently, and I know Guti, he's been very close to Mahlubi Naye himself. When we were at development, he would come with Junior and play with us, and he was very close to Chana. And I just hope they can do something for him in Tuana. Maybe they've done Tina Asaz. If we don't know, but if Kanjan, if there's nothing that they've done, we are sending the message to Guti, can they please do something for Bennett Mahlubi? There's a moment when Tuana you went to play in Cape Town with Santos.
Sure.
And then Santos and Tuana you sends the story.
Hey, mfethu.
Santos. Uya kanjani kuSantos mfethu awungitshele ngi-interested lapha.
Iyo le ndaba bengikhuluma ngayo manje ukuthi ngidlale i-tournament elokushini. Sawina nabomusa.
Yeah.
Ngayithatha leyo mali leyo. Ngagibela ngathi ngibuyele eDurban kahle kahle. Initially bengithi ngibuyele eDurban kuMazulu. MaZulu ngiyayithanda ngenhliziyo yami yonke mfethu. Because ingivezile ebantwini ukuthi ngubani yabo. But ngifika lapha ubani manje Craig Rosley. Craig Rosley bekathi uyangisayina ku-Aces.
Yeah.
Kanti uzovaya. Nami ngihlanganisa into zami nabantu bakuMazulu bayangibiza ukuthi sisondele. Kanti uda naye. Makathi uyangirecognize utaman. Wena usulo mfana ngithi hayi yimi. Athi okay hayi. Yize Jimini Jine. Manje yabona le ndaba bokhuluma ngakuthi izinto ziyakulandela Brian noma bangathi uchangile or uzama ukuchange ebholweni ngathi kuthatha isikhathi man ukuthi into ithukele sekunofana imadida phela lapha fana imadida wazi story sethu nabo umshingu yabona indaba lezi ekhasi hey mana ijike fast at no si right ngomshingu uyi1 la eteamini khona nomanqana ngisho umanqame
Njabulo yeah
nawe lapha. So manje bathi thina sibuya ku-Arrow sonke besihlupha lapha manje angeke sikhona ukuthi sibe khona sonke la.
Yeah.
Kumele badedele nje. Manje mina ngoba ngiyafika. But no yazini boy. Angeke la sekukhona ama trouble maker enough. So ngathi manje sihlangana futhi.
Yo.
Noqalela phansi ka and thina sifuna ukuwina nani. Ngisakhuluma kanjalo mangifika endlini ngene i-call from Mahlubi.
Ayisana uChana.
Athi Tashi le kunjani ukuphi ngithi ngila eDurban so bathile labo bantu ngithi baceda ukukhuluma so athi ungasakhulumi kakhulu Ian Palmer manje ngiceda ukukhuluma naye uthi uze eGymini kusasa ngiseDurban
But is a Cape Town.
bathi ngize Cape Town
Yeah.
ngibele flight Cape Town to bafike bangilande le airport hayi fika vele kiwe eGymini ngabo ma 3 afternoon boy kunjani sho uThashi umThashi bengikhuluma noMahlubi so ya umfonela umtshela ukuthi so settled so right yabo right bathi siyajima 4:30 so hamba beka into zakho kube ready hayi thatha izinto cabanga le awuthi ingisigning ilanga eli1 ngayo lo session leyo
Yeah.
kusho ukuthi le out ilezi angisho attacking defense mara
Yeah, we-8
yebo
kahle.
yeah
Yeah.
so sidlala nama defenders si-attack manje masiqeda sila i-shoot or i-cross mhlambe balibambe so mina ngine-tendency ukuthi ngithanda ukujoka back bese ngiface i-ground like before goalkeeper yenza into ezibhayi mina already sengibuyile sengibheke i-ground
Yeah.
so he like that about me ngoba bekasoli constantly ureminder lapho ukuthi get back
Yeah,
yabona
after we shoot,
mara
I get
mina
back to
yeah
position.
yabona
Yeah.
mina ngiyenza without yena ukukhuluma
without
kwakhe athi no bheka la ngosakhuluma kakhulu bize enye bathi uYusuf amusayinisa lo mfana lapha lona ayisekho into sengisazoyibheka mina la because already sekangibonise ezinye izinto labafana solongibhizi ngiba reminder ngazo kancane so lo uyazi ukuthi kumele kwenziwe wena ngicela mbe usayina lo mfana lo liphi clearance ngidalile kubatawo so bafone vele email bafuna imali nabo labayana babasendela inyuku qala kanjalo ku Santos and azange ngadlala vele so throughout
Yeah.
and beng anchor ke lapha angisi anchor mara beng anchor
Enka, yeah.
yebo so kusho ukuthi ubone ezinye izinto ezibhaya ucoach uIan may his soul rest in peace yena ke hayi yena ngumspanele manje ngenza into ezibhaya lapha
Ngawo Spanile ku Santos.
phela ngathi mongathi uyakhumbula same year lengikhuluma ngayo iPulukwane City lesikhathi ama players azoshona kunini
Nebhasi.
ngithi made so
Hey,
rest
nawo
in peace.
mfana,
Kunini,
kuningi. Yazi
la
ngifuna
abantu
ukukutshela
engikhuluma ngabo
nawe.
laba. Hey no man so amanye ama game thina zange sidlala ama game besishoda ngama game and then iPSL kwaba ne disagreement between ama team thina sishoda ngama game iPulukwane wadlale wonke and sishoda ngedraw 1 shoda ngedraw 1 kuthi seku PSL bayikhuluma indaba khona bayikhuluma yaphelela umoyeni wathi chairman athi ithatha ifaka le ku FIFA angazi yaphelela kuphi indaba khona sabuya second season saphuma sadliwa kuma playoffs that season sidlala nebafana le friendly game siyadlala Tekile from Thembazwane nomphahlelo so ngithere ligament la ACL yabo
Yeah.
but not knowing ukuthi ithere ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi seyizonqamuka ngihlale ngidumbe ngihlale ngibuye ngirecover nyana ngizitsho ukuthi sengi right nyana sengibuyile training nqamuka
Snap. Yeah.
but 9 months out
Yo.
yaphela contract ngalo 9 months abakhuluma ngaye yaphela last season
Esa.
ngiyayibona manje sekumele ngigijimise ini manje ngigijimisa ukuphola not knowing ukuthi basazongisayina futhi lana ngake ngiceda ukulimala into elength so
Yeah.
ngiyenzani marathi ngincenye May ngiforced sense angaforced angeke phela manje iphilile manje
Iyaphela
kumele
isizini.
ngiyothola i-team nami or la khona la ngisayini futhi ngiziphushe ngigcine sengiyadlala so kukhona ubani lo coach ufikile lapha athi no yena uza nama player wakhe laba bebalimele nakazingeni nani kusho ukuthi automatically clearance la kumele ngilithole ngibona indlela ukuthi ngiphuma kanjani so isizini yokugcina angidlalanga ngokuthi bengilimele but ngithatha iclearance ngigijimela kuJomo because uJomo bese wabhiza phone tha nakho ukuthi mana ngazi ukuthi njalo yazi bathi bakufuna la bese kwenzakala intonyana ebhedayo uyafika la abasafuni wena sebathola elinye iplayer uyasuka futhi before usuka lapho kunala abantu abakufunayo eindaweni la ama team mara mase kufika isikhathi sakhona izinto zibheka
Yeah.
sideways yabo so angazi ukuthi bengi unfortunate ngaloko kwezinye izinto or yimi personal angazi but njalo bengiba neplan ukuthi kunama team angifunayo ngaphandle but mase kufika leso sikhathi khona wrong or khona intonyana yenzakalayo then izinto zishabalele nje ziphelelele endleleni
Would you say egini as I said ukuthi you guys were talented wena nobhuti wakho. Would you say maybe there was some witchcraft or some spiritual things mhlambe ningazenzanga kahle that cost you career yakho ukuthi ugcine ungafinyeleli la bekumele ufinyelele khona.
Since I won't say much ngendaba zabo witchcraft nani because i-witchcraft or umuthi usebenza yonke indawo. Nasebholweni besebenzisa umuthi ebholweni. Yeah. Nasekhosini besebenzisa khona wonke la almost ngaphandle kwese Cape Town nani. Iyabilungu. Oh nalapha iZCC. Mara the rest
ZCC yipi?
Yeah, batawo besiba ZCC.
Okay.
Besiba ZCC yeah. So
but the rest
the rest bheka la. Vele nje yaspana leyo leyo. So mara mina edladleni ithema lami umzethe umama wami uyazisontele ewisile.
Yeah.
Ne? Njoba ngishilo ukuthi njoba ukhuluma na mina I grew up efamilini egrand kakhulu. Khabo ithema lami bayi9, khabo uledi bayi9.
Yo.
Yebo. Baningi labantu abona. Each and everyone la kulabantu laba banabantwana 2 3 2 3 2 3 1 2 2 2 2.
Yeah.
Yayibona ukuthi sesingakanani manje kulomndeni lo. So sibaningi man and but bonke labantu laba ngizokutshela. Esayidini la khabo time lami umadalo uyahasa. Khabo mama umadalo uyahasa. Abafazi babo bethu which is abogogo bami abaphuza babhemi.
Yeah.
Ulilam aliphuza bhemi. Tema lami aliphuza albhemi. Uyayibona mara mina ngiyahasa. So ezinye izinto angeke ngitshele ukuthi izibuya kuphi kanjani but njoba ngisho ukuthi recently ngomphuthi bengispanisisa kama uledi which is umabaso yabo so nakhona bashade sengicedile ukudlala ibhola
oh
yabo so besolong busy ngispanisa bani umabaso yeah till recently manje njoba sengichintsha ngomphuthi so I will never say witchcraft or
you take full responsibility of what happened in your life because of you being
yebo but ke yobu witchcraft ngayifaka kancane yase Durban kumaZulu because we played the last game ne Ice Cape Town and basibizile nosinamela ku national team wona bra ngaGrootman ngavuka ubhonsi udumbile so because alisangena ubhonsi udumbile unga imele ngiye ku national team after game yosoyidlala basibizile ku national team first call up national team bekumele ngiye lapha.
All right ntwana awungitshele ke wenzani uThashi manje mfana
yeah hayi uThashi ukhona Grootman elokishini ubusy neintwana ne ngu Iresa Academy ngi one of the coaches yalapha yana so kunama under 13 under 15 17 19 and then nalaba abadala which is sibiza ngokuthi super
iJub
yeah maJub
yeah
so me currently ngibusy ngaloko ukuthi ngincede le intwana about I mean ama training wethu awufana at least mina ngi different kulabo coach abanye ngokuba fortunate nge upbringing yami le from i-development structure engibuya kuso yabo so ezinye izinto ngi aware ngazo so at least khona ulwazi engilifakayo kulabafana into engizifundile throughout career yami till ngize ngaqeda ibhola but izinto zebhola angeke ziphele and azibuli so whatever ebangifundise yona before I'm trying ukuthi ngi-instill kulabafana laba engibaphethe manje lapha ku Iresa Academy so yeah kwamanje uThashi ubusy ngaloko yeah akukho kunye mfethu
any help maybe that someone that is watching now bekakufrostana that maybe you would want help yayo maybe mhlambe
no help is always needed anyhow cause abantwana laba esibaphethe lapha yana kulama teams wethu waselokishini emakasi ba underprivileged ngento eziningi which is abantu abaningi they are not aware of or bathatha izinto light ngazo uyabo umntwana kana icathulo zesikolo but wena umfuna ejimini umntwana akadlanga esikolweni but umfuna gijime uyazibona into ezinjalo so mangiceda ukujima ngilambile ngiyodlana endlini uyazibona into ezifana nalezo so bengicela man okhonayo uzathinta ku-Iresa. I-Iresa ise Davidson, it's an academy, ne? So whoever who's out there sijimela epark esilona extension 2 ngasemaXhoseni. So ngicela nje ukuthi umuntu endaweni bathi kusema Rivat kune ground lapho sijimela khona. So whoever onesandla please man reach out azokhona ukuthi sikhona ukunceda labantwana laba abancane bazokhona ukuprogress empilweni zabo babe nekusasa elihle nabo.
Yeah, no, we will try to also assist. Keletso, can you please put our number with Ereza on the comment section for anyone who wants to assist Utash and the Ereza? Maybe you can say the numbers on the screen.
No, number you said.
Okay, yeah. No, we'll write them on the comment section. Anyone who wants to assist,
Sure.
Can go to the comment section. Uzothola lama number and reach out to Ereza. Yeah, no, when man, thank you so much for coming to the show. Last question, Ntwana, from Ekasi, who's your best? Most cool Ekasi, everyone in Ntwana. Who's the best player? Uzoti, I lay in Jayet song Ekasi. Don't get every time to pet.
Hey, I want young press. I buy sense.
Hey, why? See, why? Yeah. But I lay chale.
Hey, my sense. Okay, ungakanani kuqala?
Noma ngacala kuma Thinzwane nabo Humphrey Mlwane, Paul Ndlanya, Jabu Pule, Clement Mazibuko wehle nabo.
Oyi-1. Mara ngeke be-1 labantu abadlali ngokufana man.
Okay, 5 ke.
5.
Hayi 3.
Engibafrostanayo.
Overfrostanayo ukuthi hayi maybe ne game yakho maybe boyimodlela around them. Or just you would say, this guy ngiyam respect, is a legend in future seekers.
Aish. Ukhuluma noJabu uqala.
Sure.
Yeah.
Jabu Pule Mahlangu.
Jabu Pule Mahlangu.
Yeah.
Ngwana wathini. Eish. Michael Nkambule.
Danko. Roy
Michael Nkambule. Yeah. Aish. Grootman young press.
Yeah. It is enough.
Young press man, yes. No, I think ngibambe lapha.
Ivali.
Mina
Mina I'll say it without any doubt. Chabis Oscape Malatsi. Khohlwana Bafethu. South Africa iluzile lapha. Cela ukuyivala Bafethu. Thanks for watching the show. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and hit that notification bell. Uzothola my latest updates with Jabu Mahlangu and Tiski Shandis. It's a rap Bafethu asivaleni. Danko.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh, let's touch more.